Good morning, everybody. Myself, Supriya H. Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kadur, affiliated under Kuvempu University. Today, I explain 4-semester BSc practical program. I take a program to solve exact differential equation using Maxima or Scilab. I explain this program through Maxima. Let me know exact differential equation. A differential equation m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy, that is m dx plus n dy. M and n are functions of x and y. A differential equation m dx plus n dy is called exact if del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. That is, first order partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to first order partial derivative of n with respect to x. Both should be equal. I take differential equation for this program, x minus y into dy by dx plus x plus y is equal to 0. If we simplified, we got the differential equation as like this. That is x plus y into dx plus x minus y into dy is equal to 0. Look at this. This is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M means x plus y, n means x minus y. Now we know the problem. Let me know the problem. Kill all. Usually in the Maxima we use kill all for clear the screen. EQN. EQN means equation is to x minus y star single inverted comma or colon differentiation of y comma x. That is x minus y into dy by dx plus x plus y is equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Print the given differential equation. Print, open the bracket, in the double inverted comma, we can write given differential equation is, or we can write is to, close the double inverted comma, comma, EQN, close the bracket, put the dollar symbol lastly. This prints the given differential equation that is stored in EQN. Next. In the last slide, I told m dx plus n dy is the differential equation. So, we obtain the differential equation as like that. So, in that one, m is 2 x plus y, put the dollar symbol lastly. N is 2 x minus y, put the dollar symbol lastly. My means first order partial derivative of m with respect to y is to rat simp of diff of m comma y comma n, close the brackets, put the dollar symbol lastly. This is nothing but rationalized simplification of differentiation of m with respect to y one time. That is, we have to calculate del m by del y. We write like this, my means del m by del y. That is rationalized simplification of the differentiation of m with respect to y one time. Next, nx is to rat simp of diff of n comma x comma 1, close the brackets and put the dollar symbol lastly. That is nothing but nx means del n by del x. That is the first order partial derivative of n with respect to x. That is rationalized simplification of differentiation of n with respect to x one time. The obtained value is stored in nx. The obtained value my and nx we have to print that one. Use print. Open the bracket. In the double ended comma, here my is equal to, close the double ended comma, my, that is stored in my, comma. Again we have to print nx, therefore in the double ended comma and nx is equal to, close the double ended comma, nx. Close the bracket and put the dollar symbol. So this prints the value of my and nx. Later we have to check whether the given differential equation is exact or not. We have already know the condition. That is, we use the conditional statement for the condition. If my is equal to nx, that is del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. That is the condition. Is it? Therefore, if my is equal to nx, then open the bracket, print the given differential equation is exact. Look at print, open the bracket in the double ended comma. So my is equal to mx, so given differential equation is exact. We have got my is equal to nx, therefore given differential equation is exact. SOL, solution, is to ODE2, ordinary differential equation of the two variables, ODE2 of EQN, that is the equation, comma y, comma x. Close the bracket, comma. That is solution of the equation of y with respect to x, comma, that is we have to print, another line is there, print general solution is, close the double inverted comma, SOL, that is the solution is stored in SOL. Close the bracket and again close the bracket for the if statement. If my is equal to nx, we do this loop, otherwise else print in the double ended comma, my is not equal to nx, so given differential equation is not exact. Okay, put the lastly dollar symbol. This is the program, that is Kilal equation. We have write the equation, print the given equation, right? Compare the given differential equation with mdx plus ndy and write m and n values. Calculate m by nx using Radsimp of differentiation of m or n with respect to y or x one time. Print the values. If my is equal to nx, print the given differential equation exact and solve that differential equation and print the solution. If it is not possible, else print my is not equal to nx, so the given differential is not exact. This is the program. Thank you.